Welcome to Project Woooo, guys. Today I'm going to go ahead and rebuild the front end. Here we go. Woo! I just wanted to show you guys that have never done coil springs before on an old car. This is probably the most dangerous thing you'll ever do. It is scary, and right now I'm regretting even rebuilding this front end. I just don't want to do this. If this thing breaks and hits me, pretty much I'm dead. Hits me in the head, I'm dead. If it hits me in the hands, I've got broke hands. It is not, it's just not a good thing to be doing, but it's got to be done. So I got to get this thing, the bottom of the spring, compressed up to about right here. So I got to compress it this much. I don't know how much force that is, but it's a lot. So I got to pull that thing up so I can get the upper control arm in, and then I got to easily set it back down on the spring perch, which is that right there. I dread it, so I'm going to set the camera up, and hopefully you won't witness me get hurt. But even at that, I have one more side to do. God, I hate this. Here we go. Finally got it done. As you can see, if you ever do this, put a chain around it. That way if it breaks, it ain't gonna pop out. And hopefully won't break anything. If your hand's in the way, it's gonna hurt. It's gonna break you. But at least maybe that chain will keep it from popping out and hitting you in the head or something. Or breaking your leg or something. It's not exactly in the perch 100%, but it'll work its way in there as I drive it. I think that'll be okay. And if not, I'll just have to redo it, but I think that'll be fine. It's about halfway. It usually works its way around a little bit. Well guys, that's it for this episode of Project Woo. The other side is done exactly the same. I'm going to do that, and then we'll put the motor in. Woo!